Hi, in this video we are going to see about the local winds. First, the winds are classified into planetary winds, seasonal winds and local winds. Planetary winds can be further classified into equatorial westerlies, trade winds, westerlies, easterlies. Seasonal winds, and we are going now in this video we are going to see about the local winds. Local winds, they are the regional and the local level exception for the planetary and the seasonal winds. First type of local wind is land breeze and sea breeze. During summer, the land area is very hot, so that high temperature will be there along with low pressure. Whereas in sea, it is cool and low temperature and high pressure will be there. Therefore, the wind blows from high pressure to low pressure, that is from sea to land. This is the onshore wind. Whereas in winter, the land will be cool and water will be hot. Therefore, high pressure will be in the land and low pressure will be in the water, and the water and the air moves from land to sea. This is the land breeze or wind offshore breeze. This is the first type of local winds, that is the land breeze and the sea breeze. Then comes the second one, it is the mount breeze. During summer, this is the mountain. It is usually 3 kilometer of height. From that of the 3 kilometer height, normal height will be average, whereas the clouds will be located only at 2 kilometer from the sea level. Therefore, the water vapor within the sea level will be in seen within 2 kilometers. Above 2 kilometers, the sun rays will cause increase in temperature during summer. This place will be higher temperature and low pressure compared to the valley, which is at low temperature and high pressure. Therefore, wind moves from the valley to the mountain. This is known as valley breeze or anabatic breeze. Whereas in winter, the higher places will be in cool temperature, that is low temperature and high pressure, and the valley will be hot with low pressure and high temperature, comparatively hot. Therefore, wind moves from the mountain to that of the valley. This is known as mountain breeze, are also called as katabatic winds. Then the third is snow eaters or chinook. Snow eaters or chinook, this is the map of the North America. In the North America, this is the Rocky Mountains. This is the westerlies, movement of the westerlies, and this side will be the windward side, and this side will be the leeward side. So the winds move from this windward side and into the leeward side. When they move into the leeward side, the wind become warm, and they will eat the snow covering in the Great Plains, snow covered Great Plains. So this is also called as snow eaters. The Chinook is also called as snow eaters. In Switzerland, the Chinook is also called as Fohen. Fohen it is, and the mountain is Alps mountain in Switzerland. Then we are going to see about the Santa Ana. In Santa Ana, the wind during summer, the wind blows from here to here. Therefore, this is the windward side and this is the leeward side. This is an offshore wind, that is, it moves from land to sea. And in the California, this is the place California, the summer receives no rainfall because it is in the leeward side, and the trees shed their leaves, and trees may also rub with each other and forms a forest fire. This happens in the Santa Valley, and this wind is known as Santa Ana. Santa Ana. Santa Ana, it is an offshore wind with no rainfall and warm dry air. In Japan, this type of wind is known as Yamo. Argentina, it is known as Zonda, and Europe, Tramonte. Then Sirocco. Sirocco, it is also called as blood rain. Sahara, it is a high temp. Sahara, from Sahara, the wind moves to Europe. While moving from Sahara to Europe, it will receive the moisture from the Mediterranean Sea along with the soil content, which is red in color, and the rain seen in Europe is Europe is red in color and it is called blood rain. This is known as Sirocco. The wind that brings the rain is known as Sirocco. It is also called as Leschi in Morocco, Camlin in Egypt, Gibli in Libya, Chile in Tunisia. Then comes the doctor wind. Usually, there is a Gunya current in this area of Africa, and this current makes this part of Africa more moisturous. And as the the humidity is more, the people will have great chances for getting diseases. And the wind dry air from the Sahara that blows from desert to this area, Sahara dry air, they decreases the humidity and decreases the chances for getting disease. Hence, this wind is also called as doctor wind or also known as Harmattan winds. Harmattan's winds. Then we are going to see about the cold winds. This is the Canada. Canada, it is usually snow covered and it is at a it is at a cold temperature and high pressure comparative to that of the New York. Therefore, wind blows from high pressure to low pressure. This type of wind is called blizzard wind because they bring snowfall to the New York. It is also called as Mistral in Spain, France, Bora in Italy, Blizzard in Canada and US, Buran in Siberia, Pampero in Argentina, Northern in Mexico. Thank you.